Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video I wanted to show you a small little tip that not many people know about. So in order to do this, like if you use Microsoft Office, you need to know this tip. It's so easy, and convenient. So normally people when they're going to like open up their Office apps, they have them like either in a folder on Start or all pinned, or they scroll through here, they search it up, or they have it pinned to their taskbar, but it's easier to save some space and only pin like one app, and that is this, Office. When you open up Office, it simply takes you to like a whole hub of all your documents, PowerPoints, everything. OneNote, Outlook, PowerPoint, Excel, Word, and then like even a bunch of other stuff like Windows 10 apps and stuff. So in order to open one, you just simply click on it. You can go New Blank Document. And then right behind here it opens. You can also go, let's just say Outlook, and it'll open up here. And then there you have Outlook. So this is much easier because it acts as like a hub for all your apps. You can even go in here and find more apps. So that's very convenient in my opinion. So yeah, I recommend you guys try it out and see what your thoughts are in the comments. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys. I hope this helped you. If it did, please like the video. That's all I ask. Yep. Thanks for watching, guys.